These Amazon gadgets look small, but they are insanely powerful. Some clean your home, some upgrade your lifestyle, and some feel straight out of the future. You probably haven't seen most of these before. Let's break them down right now. Number 11. Wuben G5 Mini Flashlight. The Wuben G5 Mini Flashlight is tiny but powerful. It fits in a pocket, yet performs like professional gear. The main beam delivers 400 lumens and reaches up to 82 meters. It also includes 7 RGB color modes for signals or ambient lighting. The head rotates 180 degrees for flexible use. A strong magnetic base allows hands-free work anywhere. It is waterproof IP68, suitable for outdoor use. It charges in 90 minutes, and it could work for 65 hours. Though small in size, it has a firm and top-of-the-line feel. It weighs only $20, making it a compact pocket survival kit, everyday carry light, and emergency backup at the same time. Number 10. MagnaSonic LED Pocket Pico Projector. The MagnaSonic Pocket Pico Projector is a tiny cinema in your pocket. It measures only 10 by 7 centimeters, but can project up to a 60-inch display. It uses Texas Instruments DLP technology for stable visuals. Brightness is 25 ANSI lumens with a 640 by 360 resolution. The contrast ratio is 1000:1, providing good level of detail in low light conditions. Powered by built-in battery, which provides 2 hours of playing time. It can support multiple devices such as phones, laptops, consoles, and even HDMI. Easy plug and play setup. Audio comes from a built-in speaker or external jack. At $40, it is a portable entertainment and presentation tool for travel, work, or home use. Number 9. Remaxx Desktop Vacuum Cleaner. The Remaxx Desktop Vacuum is designed for quick cleaning. It runs at 12,000 revolutions per minute using dual battery power. A strong cyclone system removes dust, crumbs, and pet hair easily. It is compact, yet powerful enough for car interior, keyboard, or desk. The noise stays between the level of 75 decibels, which means it is usable indoors. It features an extra nozzle for narrow areas and brush attachment. The design is lightweight and easy to hold. You can use it for daily small messes without effort. Charging is simple and fast. At only $5, it is one of the cheapest and most useful desk gadgets for keeping your workspace clean and dust-free anytime. Number 8. DJI Neo Camera Drone. The DJI Neo drone is ultralight at just 135 grams. It can take off directly from your palm. No complex setup is needed. It supports 8 intelligent shooting modes for cinematic shots. Control options include gesture, voice, app, or remote. It records in 4K with advanced stabilization for smooth footage. AI tracking keeps subjects centered automatically. Propeller guards improve safety during indoor and outdoor flights. It is ideal for travel, vlogging, and adventure content. The drone is beginner-friendly, but still powerful enough for creators. Battery life supports short creative sessions. At $199, it brings professional aerial filming into a compact and easy-to-use device for everyday users. Number 7. COKUNST Portable Blender. The COKUNST Portable Blender is built for smoothies anywhere. It operates at 22,000 revolutions per minute and has 6 rotating stainless steel blades. Smoothly mixes fruits, ice, and shakes in a 500 milliliter jar. The safety lock is integrated and can't be accidentally operated. It can be charged in 3 to 4 hours. Automatic shutoff once every 40 seconds to protect against safety hazards. Design is lightweight, easy to carry. It is compact enough to fit into backpacks, gym bags, or any other bag. Simple, quick rinsing to clean. It is perfect for fitness enthusiasts, travelers, or for the office. Despite its size, it operates just like a full-size blender. It offers convenience, nourishment, and mobility at just $22 in one small personal kitchen appliance. Number 6. Q32 Cleaning Kit. The Q32 Cleaning Kit includes 32 precision tools in one compact case. It is designed for electronics and small devices. Brushes clean keyboards and screens safely. Tweezers handle tiny components with accuracy. An extendable rod reaches deep or narrow spaces. Special tools clean USB and charging ports. A keycap puller helps with mechanical keyboards. All items are neatly arranged for easy access. The kit is lightweight and easy to carry, ideal for laptops, phones, cameras, and games. The quality of construction is fine for everyday use. With an $18 cost, it is a must-have toolkit for anyone with devices who seeks a solution to keeping them clean and well-maintained without the professional repairs. Number 5. SpinBot ICE Mag V1 Cooler. The SpinBot ICE Mag V1 is a phone cooling system. It uses a 15-watt semiconductor chip for active cooling. It attaches using MagSafe or clip support. It has 3 fan speeds to cover various heat levels. The device rotates 360 degrees in any direction with 270 degrees of tilting. Noise level stays very low, around 25 decibels. It prevents overheating during gaming or video recording. AI temperature control adjusts cooling automatically. It is compact, lightweight, and easy to carry. It improves phone performance during heavy use. At just $17, it is a smart accessory for gamers and heavy mobile users who want stable device temperatures. Number 4. RANVOO AICE LITE Neck Air Conditioner. The RANVOO AICE LITE is a wearable cooling device. It uses a true micro AC system, not just airflow. It delivers instant cooling up to 39 degrees Fahrenheit drop in seconds. The ICE Triangle system improves airflow by 80%. A large cooling plate targets neck heat zones directly. It offers up to 30 hours of battery life. Fast charging restores power in about 2 hours. AI sensors automatically adjust cooling levels. It is lightweight, quiet, and comfortable for long wear. It works in extreme heat and outdoor conditions. At $240, it is a premium personal cooling system for travel, work, and outdoor activities in hot climates. Number 3. Wacaco MiniPresso GR2. The Wacaco MiniPresso GR2 is a portable espresso maker. It produces up to 18 bars of pressure manually. No electricity is required. It works with any ground coffee. 80 milliliters is the capacity of the water tank per shot. It is very pocket-friendly with a weight of just 285 grams. Compact and ready to go when traveling. It is perfect for camping, travel, or office use. Brewing is simple with a hand pump system. The result is rich espresso anywhere. Cleaning is quick and easy. At $55, it is a must-have for coffee lovers who want cafe-quality espresso without machines, cords, or expensive setups while traveling or outdoors. Number 2. AIBI Pocket Robot. The AIBI Pocket Robot is a smart AI companion. It fits on your keychain and feels like a mini assistant. It uses face recognition to identify its owner. It runs ChatGPT-based AI for conversations and answers. It can chat with other AIBI units using NFC. It comes in cute designs like cat or rabbit. It reacts to interaction with expressive behavior. It works offline for basic functions. It is designed as both a toy and smart assistant. It can learn and respond over time. At $300, it is a futuristic AI pet that combines personality, interaction, and smart assistance in a compact wearable device. Number 1. Bitvae Toothbrush Cleaner. The Bitvae Toothbrush Cleaner keeps your toothbrush hygienic. It uses UV sterilization and drying technology. It removes moisture after each use. This helps prevent bacteria and mold growth. It works with manual and electric toothbrushes. A smart LED display shows battery and status. It runs automatically for daily cleaning. The battery lasts up to 30 days per charge. Installation is simple with adhesive mounting. No drilling is needed. It keeps bathroom space clean and organized. It improves oral hygiene by reducing germs. At $29, it is a simple but powerful health gadget that keeps your toothbrush clean, dry, and ready every single day. If you find this video informative, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insane tech gadgets videos. See you in next video.